Hey guys, it's Jason Franks here, and I wanted to just give you kind of an update what's going on in the Bitcoin world. I have been bombarded by questions, especially on Facebook recently, about Bitcoin and investing and what I am actually doing that has been successful. So I just wanted to share with you a few minutes, kind of what's going on. So first of all, just wanted to take you to this site, coinmarketcap.com. This is a very important site to view regularly. And there's also an app for your phone that you can download. But let's give me an idea here. The market cap for cryptocurrencies. So there are over 1,200, actually 1,324 currencies right now. $340 billion. I did a video about 5 weeks ago, and this market cap was under 200 billion. In the last 24 hours, 14 billion has been pumped into this market, and BTC means Bitcoin dominance is 55.5%. So scroll down, it kind of gives you an idea of each of your coins, your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, IOTA. Okay, so I pretty much own every single one of these in the top 10 plus many more. But Bitcoin, when I started in April, was just over $900. Today it's $11,287. So if you buy one Bitcoin in April at $900 and you buy and hold, which is the easiest thing to do, you're up almost over $10,000 per coin. Okay, so Ethereum was $8 at that time. Bitcoin Cash was actually given to me because I own Bitcoin. That's a whole other story. Ripple was 2 cents. I think Ripple is going to be huge in 2018, especially with their relationship with MasterCard. And IOTA, I purchased under 50 cents a piece. So there are so many coins on here. I would do your research, find a couple that work for you. But if anything else, the simplest thing to do is to create a Coinbase account. And I'll put a link after this video. If you buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you get $10 free right now. But in Coinbase, so here's the current price of Bitcoin. And this past hours, it gives you kind of your results here. So let's just look over the past week here. It's up $1,500 just in 1 week. A month, $3,800, and a year's up $10,498. So really unbelievable what can happen here. So it's really easy to buy Bitcoin once you're in here. You just go to buy and sell. Make sure Bitcoin is checked, and you can click whatever your drop down is in here. I have a credit card set up. I have a bank set up. So if I go into my credit card now, I just bought some Bitcoin, so I'm not going to buy it at this moment. But if I want to buy $100 worth, it tells me how much Bitcoin is, and then I can buy Bitcoin instantly. Okay, shows you your fees over here. So Coinbase is in business to make money. Okay, so this is your wallet, just like a wallet in your pocket or your purse. This is where you buy and sell all of your Bitcoin from. So really simple here, really simple to use. So, and if you want to sell it, I would just click sell. I take what's in my Bitcoin wallet, and I can deposit it straight into my checking account. Or I have what's called a BitPay credit card. And a BitPay credit card is a Visa credit card that I can actually use anywhere Visa is accepted. So I can pay my bills, I can go to Walmart's, I can buy my groceries, I can really do anything with it, and nobody even knows that it's Bitcoin related. So now I'm going to show you another thing that's been working very well for me. This is a very high risk, high reward program. So you only want to do this if you have some money to risk. Okay, I started with $1,000 in this program into BitConnect 7 weeks ago. And currently, I'll just show you where I'm out here. So in 7 weeks, I've earned over $1,400 in lending profit. So what this program does per day, it goes out and it actually lends. It actually trades against Bitcoin all day long. And the volatility of Bitcoin going up and down actually makes a profit. And then that profit is released back to us at the end of the day. So this lending profit, $1,400, I do get a referral fee for referring others. Hey, if I have something that works for me, I'm happy to let other people know. But my $1,000 is basically turned into almost $5,000 in 7 weeks. So let me just show you how this works. If you go to Lend BitConnect, I just wanted to show you this volatility software. So the last 5 days of what we're earning here. So there's no guarantee in this program, which I love. So there's days where we get paid 0%. There's days where I get 2%. Okay, if you go to your bank, you're probably earning about 1% per year. Okay, here, you know, actually here's yesterday's. It's 0.23%, 1.24, 0.11, 0.19, 0.54, and this is low, guys. There's the last couple of weeks we've actually been earning really well. So, in fact, the last 6 months you go 0.94% average. Last 7 days has been low, but I kind of like looking at the last 6 months. So, let's say you put $100 into this program for 365 days. Okay, your profit will be $343. Okay, 343% on your money. Okay, 443 is with your principal. You get your principal back. Okay, so my $1,010 that I put in, okay, is going to net me out $3,833. Okay, in 365 days. Okay, actually with principal is $4,800. Okay, I have folks who have over $10,000, $50,000 in this program. $10,000 invested, your profit's over $41,000. Okay, again, this is high risk, high reward. Okay, so as long as you know that, we are all good here. Okay, so just showing you something that is working for me and working really well. So these are my transactions. So just want to show you kind of like what happens every day in my lending wallet. So in my lending wallet, I'm averaging, well, it changes every day. So here's a $110 loan, $160 loan, $240 loan. Okay, so you'll see I'm getting paid every single day in here. And there's multiple pages here. Let's just switch to another. See if we can find a big day here. So 54, 54, 19, 19. Again, it fluctuates up and down. So here's my $1,000 loan I lent at 0.21%. So, you know, that day I only made $2.12, which is okay. There's other days where I'm making $20 off that same loan. So to do a program like this, you go to Coinbase, you send your Bitcoin to here, you exchange it for BitConnect coins, and then you transfer it to your lending wallet. And it just performs automatic for you. You don't have to know anything about Bitcoin at all to do this. Okay, so you know, there's a few things that are happening right now in the cryptocurrency market, especially around future trading. CME Group out of Chicago and NASDAQ have both released that they are going to start Bitcoin future trading. So I believe what's going to happen is this Bitcoin price right now of 11.2. I project this to be above 20,000 in 2018. Okay, it's just speculation, just my personal opinion. This is not financial advice, but I think that's what's going to happen in 2018, and it might not even happen quicker than that. So I would suggest getting in and buying some Bitcoin. On Coinbase, you can buy $1 worth, $10 worth, $100 worth. You can buy a little bit every week. So that is what I would suggest. So I will put a couple links below. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any more questions. I am absolutely willing to help, and looking forward to seeing us all succeed. Take care.